Hi, friend. Let me ask you something. Do you feel like you're constantly trying to keep your home running in your head? Like you're remembering everything: the cleaning, the meals, the errands, the appointments, the little seasonal tasks, and it all just lives in your mind? And sometimes it still never feels like you're caught up. If that's you, you are not alone. Most of us are trying to manage our homes mentally while also managing real life at the same time. And that is exhausting because your brain was never meant to be the storage system for your entire household. That's why I created something I call the Peaceful Home Index Card System. It's a simple, flexible homemaking system using color coded index cards and divider tabs that helps you stop holding everything in your head and start living with a clear, gentle rhythm instead. Instead of overwhelm, you get clarity. Instead of constantly asking, "What am I forgetting?" you know exactly what needs to happen next. Daily tasks, weekly rhythms, monthly responsibilities, seasonal and yearly reminders, all organized in a system you can actually see and use. This is for you if you've ever tried to stay organized and felt like every system was too complicated, too rigid, or just didn't stick in real life. This is simple, visual, flexible, and designed for real homes in real seasons of life. Inside the course, I'll walk you step by step through how to set up your index card system from scratch, exactly what to write on each card, how to build your daily, weekly, and monthly rhythms, how to set up your zones and cleaning flow, and how to actually use it in your everyday life without overwhelm. Plus, there are printable tools available if you prefer a done for you setup. My goal is not to give you another system to manage. My goal is to help you finally feel like your home is something you can live in peacefully, not something you're constantly trying to catch up with. If you're ready to learn more, click the link below. I'd love to walk this journey with you, one simple card at a time. Thanks for being here, friend. I'll see you soon.